Send it to your siblings. Send it right now. Okay.
Why you always so rude? Why you always calling me a noob? Always telling me what I should do. Stop stealing my food. If I hit a nerve, then I'm screwed.
Among Us.
I get overwhelmed so easily. My anxiety keeps me silent. When I try to speak, words come over me. Feels like I'm somebody else.
You and your friend have a gun to your head, and the person holding it says, I'm gonna play one song, and if you vibe with it at all, I'ma shoot you both. No head bops, no humming, not even a facial expression. So the question is, what's the one song that you're praying he doesn't play?